Chicano. My amendment in the nature of a substitute would replace the text of Congressman Correa's bill, H.R. 2916, the VA Medical Cannabis Research Act of 2021, with the text of my bill, H.R. 2932, the Veterans Cannabis Analysis, Research, and Effectiveness, or Veterans Care Act. Congressman Correa and I have shared a goal of expanding research into the effects of medical marijuana on veterans with chronic pain, post-traumatic stress disorder, and more. And as more and more states legalize marijuana for medicinal purposes, more and more veterans are using it to treat their pain, anxiety, and other issues. It is critical that the Department of Veterans Affairs learn more about how medical marijuana may help or hurt veterans in their daily lives, how it may impact the course of their disease, and how it may interact with their other prescribed medications. Congressman Correa and I agree on all of that, and I appreciate his work on this issue. However, his bill takes an overly prescriptive approach to requiring the VA to conduct research on medical marijuana. I am sure that it is well-intentioned. However, what that would do is unfairly tie the hands of the VA researchers who are responsible for designing and conducting these studies and undermine their work to such an extent as to render it meaningless. Having applied for and received International or Institutional Review Board, or IRB, approval for clinical research, I know how very challenging and onerous this process is, and a congressional mandate or fiat or approval does not ensure IRB approval at an institution. That may sound like an overstatement, but it is unfortunately anything but. VA's testimony regarding Congressman Correa's bill stated that it is not consistent with scientific merit or evidence and does not align with peer review principles. It would be a waste of time and taxpayer dollars, and even more important, a disservice to our veterans to advance a bill with those deficits, and could mean that the research is not conducted as we all desire it to be. That is why my amendment in the nature of a substitute would replace the text of Congressman Correa's bill with the text of my bill, which would also require VA to conduct research regarding medical marijuana, but would also give VA researchers the flexibility to design that research for themselves. This would help ensure that politics plays no role in the results of this research, and that scientists and researchers, not politicians, inform the VA's work on medicinal marijuana research so that it yields the best and most useful research results for veterans. My amendment contains language to ensure that the VA is transparent and regularly communicates with Congress on the progress and results of the department's medical marijuana research. My amendment is also based on language that passed this committee with bipartisan support in the last two Congresses. It was championed last Congress by the former Republican leader of this committee, Dr. Rowe, who, like me, is also a veteran and a doctor, and who knows how profoundly important it is for veterans in pain and in need that we get this right. I hope that my amendment in the nature of a substitute will receive the same level of bipartisan support today that it has in the past. And with that, I yield back.
Well, thank you.